welcome back. That was a crazy 8 weeks. Congratulations on applying this very broad 10,000 foot view version of our hybrid training system. Remember, you need to hit the like button, subscribe, and follow along because this was just a taste. This was just an introduction to the fundamental concepts and organizing principles of this system. Remember that this is a dynamic and evolving system that we apply here in the gym in a class or group-based environment. When we finish and share with you the actual digital version of hybrid that you can apply on your own, there's going to be much more detail and it will be individually specific to you and your goals, where you're standing right now and where you're going. Now that we've completed that 8-week block, we've found your fundamental baseline strength. We've applied all of the fundamental training principles that I'm aware of that exist, all these different variables like our tempo, manipulating the strength curve, focusing on hypertrophy, stabilization, power, and speed. We have to integrate that and take a little bit of a break from that intensity. So we're going into a 4-week long bridge. We are not going to get into specific details of what we're doing in the bridge cycle in the hybrid PDF video series that's free. Again, this is just the introduction. You're just dipping your toes in so you can get familiar with the nomenclature and the principles that we're applying. In the bridge cycle, we have mixed to low variability depending on what we did in that 8-week hybrid block. We also might be doing a little bit of a deload and focusing on weak points, again, depending on what we did in that 8-week cycle. So that's usually either less reps, less intensity, or focusing on the smaller, less apparent portions of your body and movement patterns that will make sure that this is something that you can do for your entire life, to create a lifestyle around it that's based off of longevity. Keep in mind, this is not a 6-week shred or an 8-week transformation program. This is helping you get the tools and the information that you need to master this meat spaceship that your soul's flying around in, so you can get it to look, feel, and perform the way that you know it can. So again, quick review. Mixed to low variability, we're going through some deload, training some weak points like your rotator cuff, your anterior tibialis, some of the deep core muscles, making sure we at least maintain your metabolic conditioning, your cardiovascular system, your respiratory system, and keeping, at least maintaining hypertrophy while focusing on recovery. The bridge cycle is a little breath of fresh air. It's a little interim between the heavy hitting, intense 8-week training block. So, in conclusion, I'm trying to sell you something. I'm trying to get you to buy into this system that's fundamentally based off of your intuitive awareness, objective data that is accessible, so you can, again, move forward informed in a practical way with organizing fundamental foundational principles that have been proven here in the lab in 0 Point Athletics and is research-based and built off of our human biology. So congratulations for making it this far. Make sure, again, you like, follow, and subscribe to stay tuned for when we're releasing this entire system. And I'm looking forward to hearing back from you guys. Peace.